Children, today we are going to see about the compounds of aluminium. Only one compound, that is aluminium chloride, AlCl3. Now we are going to see the preparation, how it is prepared. First, aluminium chloride prepared by using HCl. This is one of the preparation. Second one is McAfee process. McAfee process. Third one is industrial preparation. One by one we can see. Now using HCl, aluminium metal treated with HCl or aluminium hydroxide, AlOH thrice treated with HCl. So we are getting aluminium chloride and hydrogen gas liberated. Here also aluminium chloride plus water liberated. On balancing, 3 hydrogen, 3 2s are 6. Here also 3 HCl, 3 water molecule. Second one, McAfee process. In McAfee process, aluminium chloride obtained by treating alumina formula Al2O3 or aluminium oxide treated with coke or carbon in a current of chlorine. So we are getting aluminium chloride and carbon dioxide gas liberated. On balancing, okay. Last one, industrial preparation. Aluminium on treated with the chlorine, that is chlorinating aluminium at 1000 Kelvin, forming aluminium chloride. Now some of the physical properties. It is a colorless hygroscopic substance. It behaves as a Lewis acid. Lewis acid means electron deficient, that is acceptor of electrons. So with the compounds like ammonia, phosphine PH3, carbonyl chloride, with these compounds, aluminium chloride, they form addition compounds. For example, aluminium chloride with ammonia, it forms one of the addition compound. Similarly with the phosphine, carbonyl chloride, COCl2 carbonyl chloride, they can form addition compounds because it behaves as a Lewis acid. Next, aluminium chloride, it behaves as acidic in nature. Acidic in nature. So aluminium chloride with water forming aluminium hydroxide and hydrochloric acid is liberated. On balancing, 6 hydrogen. This is one of the chemical property. Second one, aluminium chloride treated with ammonium hydroxide, NH4OH, forming aluminium hydroxide AlOH thrice plus ammonium chloride is formed. Just get interchanged. Aluminium hydroxide, ammonium chloride. On balancing, okay. The last one, aluminium chloride with excess of sodium hydroxide forming sodium meta-aluminate. Sodium meta-aluminate. Water molecule and NaCl is formed. On balancing, these are the few chemical properties. Then uses anhydrous aluminum chloride. Anhydrous means without water. It is used as a catalyst. One of the best use. Where means in the Friedel-Crafts reaction. Friedel-Crafts reaction means in organic chemistry only it occurs. So in organic chemistry it acts as one of the catalyst in Friedel-Crafts reaction. Otherwise the reaction will not happen without aluminum chloride. Such a great importance. The second one is manufacture of petrol. It is used for the manufacture of petrol by cracking the mineral oils. Cracking means breaking. A bigger compound breaks broken into smaller compounds by the application of the heat. Third one, it is used as a catalyst in the manufacture of dyes, drugs, perfumes. So, preparation, some of the physical property, chemical property, uses, everything clearly given in book page number 39.